Marhaba, this is Razan. This lesson is Arabic expressions number 18. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn these expressions. You are right. معك حق. Yalla, let's start. You are right. Masculine form. معك حق. Literally, with you right. معك حق. Now I will add the possessive adjectives to the phrase مع حق to give the following meaning. He's right. معه حق. She's right. معها or مع حق. They are right. معهن or معن حق. I am right. معي حق. You are right to a man. معك حق. You are right to a woman. معك حق. Plural form. معكن حق. We are right. معنا حق. Now I will repeat them again but only in Arabic. معه حق. معها حق. معن حق. معي حق. معك حق. معك حق. معكن حق. معنا حق. For example, let's imagine Razan asking Umar, شو رأيك نروح عالسوق? Shall we go to the souk? Or in another way, how about going to the souk? I will say it again. شو رأيك نروح عالسوق? Umar will reply to Razan, بس تأخر الوقت هلأ. But it is late now. بس تأخر الوقت هلأ. Now Razan will reply to Umar, إيه معك حق. منروح بكرة لكن. Yes, you are right. We will go tomorrow then. إيه معك حق. منروح بكرة لكن. Another example now using the feminine form. ما معها حق تحكي معك هيك. She has no right to speak with you in that way. I will say it again. ما معها حق تحكي معك هيك. Now words recap. What, شو, your opinion or what do you think. رأيك to a man. رأيك to a woman. We go نروح to the souk. عالسوق. But بس. It is late. Masculine form. اتأخر. I'm referring here to the time. The time. الوقت. Now. هلأ. Yes. إيه. We will go. من نروح. Tomorrow. بكرة. Then. لكن. Not. ما. To speak. She speaks. تحكي. With you. Feminine form. معك. Like this. هيك. Here's pronunciation and translation notes. Please read them at your leisure. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Yalla bye.